Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to apply wallpaper effect and frame on Samsung S25 Plus. Let's begin. So, in order to actually change that, we have to go into Wallpaper and Style. We can do that by simply holding our finger and clicking Wallpaper and Style, or by going here through the settings, scrolling down a little bit, and here clicking the same menu. In here we actually choose our home screen, as I want to change on the home screen, and as you can see below we have a few different options to choose from, and we want to change our frame and effects. Keep in mind though that not all wallpapers will show these options here. For example, if I would change to this interactive one, you can see that we only have a variations option, so you can choose this bright blue or this darker blue, but we cannot change effects on the animated wallpaper. So keep that in mind. If I think that these effects and frames should work for almost every single wallpaper downloaded or from your gallery, so you can choose any picture or any downloaded wallpaper. I will choose this nice looking Don't Starve one, and as you can see we have two options here. First is for frame. If we click it, we can actually get our that's funny, his head is nice. We can actually get our wallpaper inside a frame. And as you can see, it automatically detects what you have on wallpaper. So if you have a human, I guess the human might actually be outside of your frame. So I will choose the heart because I love Wilson. And then you can actually choose a few different colors. For example, this nice blue one. And you can also click Erase Background. So yeah, it should automatically actually detect the background itself, but we can toggle it back on. And now we can simply click Done if you are satisfied with it. And as you can see, now we have nice looking Wilson inside a heart. However, we can also choose effects. So let's get back to our lock screen. Let it load for a while. Keep in mind though that effects probably won't work if you have frame enabled. So we need to disable it, and now we can choose effects, and we can swipe through in order to actually change our effects. So we can have a nice blur effect and blurred background, grayscale background, which actually looks pretty cool. Custom background color. For example, we can change our color to bright white. You can actually increase the sensitivity here. Dark background, ink drawing background, and a pastel one. I will choose actually ink drawing since it's looking really nice. And after I'm satisfied, I simply click Apply and then click Done. And as you can see, that is how you change effects and frames on Galaxy S25 Plus. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.